Welcome to all of you in this video. Today we are going to talk about a video. This video presentation is a part of an assignment of the course entitled ICT and Research under MPhil in Education, Nepal Open University. Today's topic is data gathering, cleaning and validation. Let's start. First of all, data gathering. What is data gathering? What are its importance? And how can we gather data? Under this topic we discuss about these things. And data gathering is the process of collecting and measuring information on variables of interest in an established systematic fashion that enables one to answer stated research questions, test hypotheses, and evaluate outcomes. And what are the tools for data collection? Here are some tools: case studies, checklists, interviews, observation, surveys or questionnaire, focus group discussion, key information. Case studies, it is done for one special case. Checklist, it is done for qualitative question, qualitative research. Interviews, it can be used both in qualitative and quantitative. Observation mainly is done in qualitative research. Survey or questionnaire is mainly done in quantitative research. Focus group discussion is tool for qualitative research, and key information also for qualitative research. And next topic is data collection. What is data cleaning? What is data cleaning? Data cleaning is the process of preparing data for analysis by removing or modifying data that is incorrect, incomplete, irrelevant, duplicated, or improperly formatted. This data is usually not necessary or helpful when it comes to analyzing data because it may hinder the process or provide inaccurate results. When we gather data or collect data, after gathering and collecting data, the next stage is cleaning. We have to clean the data because the data may be incorrect, incomplete, or irrelevant, duplicated, or improperly formatted. To make our research to go in right way, we have to do data cleaning. Okay, what are the benefits of data cleaning then? Why? Because it removes major errors and inconsistencies that are inevitable when multiple sources of data are getting pulled into one data set. Next is using tools to clean up data will make everyone more efficient since they will be able to quickly get what they need from data. And third one is to get better result or to reduce error, because fewer errors means better result. And next one is the ability to map the different functions and what your data is intended to do and what it is coming from your data to predict. And last one is it avoid the significant problem posed by missing and erroneous data to the reliability and validity of study outcomes. Okay, now what are the steps of data cleaning? First one is removing duplicate or irrelevant observations, fixing structural errors, fixing incomplete and irrelevant data, handle missing data, inserting missing details, auditing and aggregation, matching and correlation, interlinking and consolidation, identifying key variables and suggesting new variables, address data sanitization, and case correction and conversations. Now next one is data validation. After data cleaning, there is a process of data validation. In cleaning also we do validation, and after this there are some other steps also. Validation is an automatic computer check to ensure that the data entered is sensible and reasonable. We have to be careful about these two words, sensible and reasonable. It does not check the accuracy of data. And in another word, in computer science, data validation is the process of ensuring data have undergone data cleaning to ensure they have data quality, that is, that they are both correct and useful, whether the entered data are correct or useful or not. For this, we have to do data validation. One of the process is cleaning. Under cleaning also we do the validation, and there are other steps also. We can see steps, or there are some types of validation. First one is check digit, format check. Next one, next length check, next lookup table, next presence check, range check, and last one is spell check. These are the sum of types, or we have to do under validation. We have to check the digits, we have to check the format, whether there is correct format or not, and next one is length check, whether the data is too long or too short, lookup table, whether the data is according to our set table or not, and next one is presence check, range check, and last one is spell check, the enter data, whether they are correctly spelled or not. These are the sum of the process while validation. Let's talk more about this validation type. First one was check digit. Under this, the last one or two digits in a code are used to check the other digits are correct. In this way, we can check the digit. For example, barcode readers in supermarkets use check digits. One of the example is barcode readers. Next one is format check. Under this, we check the data is in the right format or not. For example, a national insurance number is in the form LL999999L, means L is any letter and 9 is any number. There must be 3 letters, in beginning 2 letters, and at last 1 letter, and in between there must be 6 letters. In this way we have to check the format. And next one is a length check. Under it, we check the data is not too short or too long. For example, a password which needs to be 6 letters long, means there must be 6 letters. Next one is lookup table. Under this, looks up acceptable values in a table. We have already set the table. For example, there are only 7 possible days of the week. If in the data there are 8 responses, it may not be valid. Presence check. Checks the data has been entered into a related field or not. We have to check this. In most databases, a key field cannot be left blank. We should fill up the blanks, all the details. Next one is range check. It checks that a value falls within the specified range. For example, number of hours worked must be less than 50 and more than 0, under 0 to 50. If it comes more than that, it is not valid. Spell check. At last we do spell check. Under it, looks up words in dictionary, means whether the spelling are correct or not. When words processing, it is also called word processing. Under this, we check the spelling. Thank you all of you for your kind time, and I appreciate your further queries and positive feedback. Namaste. Thank you.